The study aimed to investigate if there's a spatial pattern in the occurrence of childhood acute lymphoblastic leukemia in Greater Mexico City, suggesting environmental factors might influence the disease. It used a population-based case control design, analyzing 1054 cases of children under 18 diagnosed with acute lymphoblastic leukemia to look for spatial clusters, SCs, where the disease was more prevalent. The researchers employed Koldorf's spatial scan statistic, a statistical test to identify clusters of disease cases over a geographical area. 8 significant spatial clusters were identified, indicating areas with a higher incidence of childhood acute lymphoblastic leukemia. These areas were notably near electrical installations and former petrochemical facilities, pointing to potential environmental risks. The detection of spatial clusters suggests environmental factors may play a role in the development of childhood acute lymphoblastic leukemia in these areas, warranting further investigation into specific hazards. This study underlines the importance of environmental health research in understanding the etiology of childhood acute lymphoblastic leukemia and highlights specific areas in Greater Mexico City for further investigation into potential environmental exposures. Moreover, the study highlights the importance of monitoring and reducing exposure to potential environmental risks, especially electromagnetic fields, EMFs, which have been a concern around electrical installations. To mitigate EMF exposure, measures such as maintaining distance from electrical appliances, using wired instead of wireless devices when possible, and employing EMF shields can be beneficial. This research marks a pivotal step towards understanding and ultimately reducing the environmental risk factors associated with childhood acute lymphoblastic leukemia. By pinpointing specific areas for further investigation, the study paves the way for more targeted research and interventions aimed at safeguarding children's health against environmental hazards.